Let's talk about passive income. The dream of earning money while you sleep or go about your day. Most people think you need a lot of money or special skills to get started, but that's not true. There's a beginner-friendly way to start today, even if you know nothing about trading. Copy trading. Copy trading lets you automatically follow the trades of experienced pros, so you benefit from their expertise without doing the heavy lifting. Check below video and get only from me 50% on first deposit for Pocket Option and start with copy trading today. It's about using smart technology to your advantage. It takes just seconds to copy someone. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you what copy trading is, how to get started, and how to manage your risk for steady growth. No jargon, no complicated charts, just practical steps for beginners. Financial freedom is possible for anyone willing to take the first step, and copy trading could be yours. Let's dive in and see how you can turn this into your own passive income machine. So, what is copy trading? Imagine you could instantly follow the moves of a top chef in your kitchen, except here, it's with money. On platforms like Pocket Option, expert traders make their trades public. You link your account to theirs, and when they trade, your account copies them automatically. If they profit, you profit. Simple as that. The best part, it's all automated. Set it up once, and the platform does the work for you. You don't need to learn complex analysis or spend years mastering the markets. Copy trading lets you skip the steep learning curve and start earning from day one. It's like having a team of pros working for you without the big salary. You choose who to copy, set your limits, and let the system handle the rest. For beginners, it's a shortcut to participating in the markets with a real chance of success. You're leveraging proven expertise, not gambling on luck. That's the power of copy trading. Ready to start? Here's how to set up copy trading on Pocket Option in minutes. First, sign up on their website with your email and password. Take advantage of their deposit bonus, often 50% extra on your first deposit. Fund your account. You can start with as little as $50. Now head to the copy trading section and browse top-ranked traders. Don't just pick the first one, look for consistent long-term winners. Check their trading history for steady gains, not risky bets. Once you find a trader you like, hit copy. Set how much you want to allocate and your stop balance for safety. You can copy with a fixed amount per trade or a percentage of your balance. The platform handles the rest. Your trades will mirror theirs automatically. You're now officially copy trading. It's that simple to get started. Let's talk about how to make your strategy even smarter. Here's the golden rule. Never copy just one trader. Even the best have bad days, and you don't want your entire account riding on one person. Diversify. Copy 4 or 5 different traders, spreading your risk. This way, if one has a loss, others can balance it out. Think of it like building a team, not relying on a single star player. Look for traders with different styles or assets for extra protection. Diversification smooths out your returns and makes your income more reliable. It's the difference between gambling and smart investing. Build your portfolio with a handful of proven winners. This approach turns copy trading into a steady, predictable source of passive income. Remember, spread your capital, reduce your risk. That's how you win long-term. Copy trading is passive, but don't just set it and forget it. Spend 15 minutes each week reviewing your trader's performance. If someone's on a losing streak, don't hesitate to stop copying them. Reallocate your funds to stronger performers. Boost your allocation to traders who are consistently winning. This simple weekly check-in keeps your income stream healthy and growing. Use your profits to increase your copy amounts or add new traders. Regular management is the secret to scaling your passive income. Let's talk numbers. Copy trading won't make you rich overnight, but steady growth is realistic. A well-managed, diversified portfolio can earn 5–15% per month. That's much higher than traditional investing, but it comes with risk. So, diversification and management are key. For example, start with $200 and a 50% bonus for $300 total. At 10% monthly returns, that's $30 in passive income the first month. Let it compound, and your profits snowball over time. With a larger deposit, say $2,000 plus bonus, you could earn $300 a month. Compounding can turn small gains into significant growth over a year. Focus on percentage growth, not just dollar amounts. Prove you can grow a small account, then scale up. The strategy stays the same. Steady, consistent returns. The goal isn't to get rich quick, but to build reliable wealth over time. That's the real power of copy trading. Why does copy trading work so well for beginners? It removes guesswork and emotional mistakes. Instead of panicking or getting greedy, you follow disciplined pros with proven strategies. You're borrowing their experience and discipline, skipping years of trial and error. The platform gives you all the stats you need to make smart, data-driven choices. It's a logical, systematic way to trade. No gambling, just following consistent winners. Now you know what copy trading is, how to start, and how to manage your portfolio. The only thing left is to take action. Sign up, make a comfortable deposit, claim your bonus, and pick your first 4 or 5 traders. This is your chance to build real passive income, starting today. Take control of your financial future. Start now. Your first step is just a click away.